In this video, we are decorating the Teresa Collins Happy Planner for the week of November 8th, and our theme for this week will be princesses and pumpkins. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. I have a stack of washi tape from Simply Gilded, specifically this really cute pumpkin one and the new washies from the Home Sweet Home collection. I have a bunch of the princess sticker books and the Homebody Seasons sticker book. I just posted a video showing the unboxing of this Simply Gilded washi tape, and so I had started putting some of the swatches on the page here so we could see what it looks like. Okay, so what I want to test first before we put more washi is I want to see if that green of that Monday is too green to go with our princess stickers. So let's flip over here and just check that out first before we get started. I like the Cinderella because she has the pumpkins, but I have used a bunch of those stickers already, so we'll have to kind of see what I have left. All right, so my question is this green too green to go with this theme? And it is a little bit more green than that, but there are some green things in the background, like this is green, so I think we're gonna be good. Also, the pumpkins from the Homebody Seasons sticker book, like this sticker book has a lot of pastels in it, which will look really good. And there's some pumpkins in here, and I have used a bunch of them already, but where are they? There should be some more left in this sticker book. Here's the pumpkin page, and that has some green too, so we're good to go. I want to start off by putting the pumpkin washi all the way across the bottom. I just love it. It's pink with gold foil and like blue and little pastel pumpkins. It's one of my favorites. I'm not sure what it's called or if it's still available. You'll have to check with Simply Gilded to see if Irene still has it, but I love it. All right, just to tie in that green, because we'll go ahead and put the rest of the days of the week across the top, and it's the same color as the skinny green, so I'm going to put that like an accent across the bottom, kind of like just like that. Okay, let's put the rest of the days of the week across here. All right, I think I'm gonna leave space to put like a really big Cinderella right here. We could do another piece of accent washi tape here. Maybe the solid gold, or I'm not gonna use that color. We could use the plaid again too. Maybe the plaid. All right, next up is box stickers. So I want to grab, well, kind of need to choose colors. I'm going to use this one because it has the green in it, it has Cinderella, it has pumpkins, and we'll just keep looking. So I'm going to leave that space for a giant Cinderella sticker. We can put some boxes over here. So I'm going to start with this one here. All right, I like this sticker with the different decorations, Cinderella themed decorations. Let's put that there. It'll be a good background to layer another sticker. And then since we have like a dark sticker on that page, let's put a dark sticker on this page too. No, I'm not sure because we're gonna have Cinderella right there. I found the perfect sticker to layer on this background. Look at that, that's so perfect. Put a couple of these box stickers too. So I like this one. And this one with the bibbity bobbity. right, next up is checklists and bullet points. However, the Princess sticker books don't really have checklists or bullet points, but they do have these like page flag things. Let me grab my tweezers and we'll grab some of these. So like this one says date night. Let's put that on Friday. So we'll just kind of put these instead. And then I'll just write out my to-dos under that. I want to use 2 of the pink ones. So pink one on each day. So like here. And then one over here. I'm gonna grab this little, it's like a decorative sticker, but it says errands on it. I'm gonna put that here on Monday. And I think I'm going to use these little flowers as bullet points. So I'm going to put one here and one here, like that. There's also the little birds, so I could use those for bullet points over here. So let's put the 2 little birds right here. It's cute. Then here's one of the big stickers. There are actually several, like that one, this page right behind it has this sticker book has all the big pictures. Ooh, that one's pretty, but that's silver. Where is that? And it has quotes in the back, so we'll grab a quote too to go with it. I think we're gonna stick with this one. Oh, here's some more. So, oh, that's where we're just looking. That, but where's that sparkly one? Oh, it must be in the front. There it is, but that's silver and we're doing gold this week. So we're gonna stick with this one right here. I totally love how last week's fall florals spread turned out. I will link that up in the cards. But this princess spread makes me so happy. Princess and pumpkins. Leave a comment and tell me like what kind of spread is your favorite? Do you like a theme like the Disney princess theme? Do you like florals? Do you like just a basics, like a color? What is your vibe, like your favorite way to plan, decorate in your planner? All right, there are some gold quotes in the back and this one will fit and I like it. Beauty is found within. I think I'm gonna put that up here and then put these little sparkly stars around, just around, like right here. No, let's just leave it with that one and then we'll leave some space to write over here. Tweezers just make it so much easier. Yeah, we'll just add the sparkles here and then that leaves us some space to write and we have a little quote, and we have our Cinderella. Okay, let's add some pumpkins on both pages. All right, I'm just gonna grab some pumpkins and we're gonna squeeze them in wherever we can. We might have to trim them here and there so that we still have space to write, but the pumpkins are so cute. I want them to fit in wherever we can squeeze in some pumpkins. Like they're super cute right here. Pumpkins. Let's add a pumpkin up at the top too. All right, let's add some pumpkins up here and then maybe some pumpkins right here. All right, more pumpkins. Let's see if I can squeeze one in the middle right here. I don't want to use up too much of my writing space, but the pumpkins, they're so cute. All right, let's do that. Oh, I want one of these to go over here. I think this one that says focus. All right, I want to add a little bit more. I like this little tiny gold Stay Magical. Let's put that on the left side, maybe like just down here at the bottom, like that. All right, let's see how it looks in the planner. always, check out the description box for all the details about the products used in this video. Find out how you can get your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and I will see you in the next one. Bye!